How to fix despairing message on Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix despairing message on your Facebook Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it, click on your profile up there, and now scroll down and click on the second before the last, which is report technical problem. Now click on report a problem, click on include, wait a second, and now you should explain what happened. You can send your report about a missing message. You have like the sparing message on your account. Even you can take a screenshot and to help you to explain your problem. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.